I'm a Google Docs guy, but Microsoft Word's an interesting tool, so I'm going to answer this question. How do you figure out how many words you have in your Microsoft Word document? If you don't see the answer right down here, it's because you have it turned off. And what you need to do is in right here on this icon, or maybe this icon, right click on that and turn on word count. If I click on that, it gives me more details: pages, words, characters and pages, and paragraphs and lines, including footnotes and notes. Close that. And every time I type a word, there's one word. There's two words. There's three words. Boom. There's 72 words. If I click on it, 72 words, 392 characters with no spaces, 463 characters with spaces, one paragraph and 5 lines. And how does I have another paragraph? And I click on the 210 words, 1,150 characters with no spaces, 1,357 with spaces, 4 paragraphs and 18 lines. Bottom line, in Microsoft Word, it's all right there.